Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about top 5 micro skills you should know in 2023. Top 13 skills to make money every student must know. Um, uh, we have discussed only 5. Are you a college student or have recently graduated or are wondering about how to make money? Well, we all have today there exist so many skills to earn money at home, and that's exactly what this blog will help you out with. We have listed 2023's top 30 digital marketing and other skills to make money online. Also, these skills can be used to back full-time jobs at top companies, companies as well. But are you new to digital marketing? Well, if you are, we have got something for you to first understand this industry. Attend this free 3 master class on digital marketing basics and secrets to expand your horizon and find out why digital marketing is the thing today. In fact, you can start earning right now by selling these skills on a freelancing website has gained a lot of popularity recently, and they have its own perks and benefits. Check out his blog on the benefits of a freelancer. Now all you need to do is find the right place to learn these high paying online skills and be dedicated to learning them. Having substandard expertise will make it difficult for you to get jobs. Thus, you should be passionate about learning the skill you have, and interest in working online seems like it's going to be the new normal, and it's only been elevated because of the ongoing uh, coronavirus crisis. However, this turns out to be better news for students who are intending to earn money online while being of their home. Now that the digital wave is growing, boundless, anyone with internet access can virtually learning anything. But what are the skills that are worth learning? Among the numerous alternative we find on the internet, this is a demanding question, what we will try to answer in this blog. So let's quickly look at the highly profitable skills to make money in 2023. Bonus tip: watch this video to know about the top digital marketing skill that will continue to be demand in the marketing industry. Top 13 high profitable skills to money, but we have discussed only 5. Uh, uh, the affiliate marketing is the first on our list, as it is one of the easiest and simplest ways to earn money online. It can be done in the comfort of your home. It requires the bare minimum investment, and one can make money by promoting product. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, affiliate marketing is a win situation for you and the company. By just sharing the affiliate link, you can earn as high as 1 lakh per month is a commission. You must have a clear understanding of what is being sold and have the right marketing skill for promotion. One of the primary benefits of affiliate marketing is that the company will take care of everything else, like customer service and delivery. All you need to do is promote. Many e-commerce giants such as Flipkart, Amazon, and eBay are known for something you would never imagine. Affiliate marketing programs. Recently, India's leading digital marketing institute, IIDE, has launched its own refer and earn program similar to an affiliate marketing program where both the referee earn benefits up 15,000 IIDES refer and earn program is created keeping in mind your efforts while promoting their courses and ends in one of the sites ways to earn big money even if you are in college or a working professional. So how does this work? By just promoting IIDE digital marketing courses to your friends to and family. You can earn benefits up to 15,000 every time they enroll for the course. The no more watch this video. Social media marketing. Billions of people use Facebook, the Instagram. Thus, it's clean that if a company disregards social media marketing, it will only lead to losing opportunities for building. This makes social media marketing skills immensely important. Every business, small or large, needs to have a social media account, and along with that needs to be constantly active on it. Thus they need professional to plan and manage their social accounts. A social media marketing executive deal with scheduling software and and plans and executes a calendar of social media posts across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. There are tasks all includes executing strategize to elevate engagement for a brand and increase brand awareness, which in turn will increase sales. Website development. Website development needs a special mention, as it is unquestionable one of the most important skills to make money. For building a website. You should use tools that make your work simple. By converting our design into a real website, there are a lot of no code tools available, so that website can be created with absolutely no coding knowledge. And fact that every business needs an online presence. Why a website to showcase their services, product, etc. The demand for the same will always be flattering. And now there are a lot of ways of build website. However, the one we suggest in WordPress. Why? Because it's extremely easy to learn and use. Not only is it easy to use for you as a developer, but it is also easy to use for someone who is just an editor and only wants to modify content on your website. Understanding the basics like changing a theme or installing new plugins to improve your website's functionality is simple and will not require a lot of time. However, if you want to dive into the core of website development and want to be able to make as many changes as you wish, then you need to learn coding language like HTML, CSS, PHP. JavaScript. Again, learning to code can be overwhelming at first, but there are tons of amazing web development courses available online that can teach you coding for writing. The great thing about content writing is that you don't have to do dedicated course. If you are already good to English writing, your blog can help you understand how content needs to be written and what kind of content in is appreciated on the internet. The demand for content writers is because every website, every Facebook page, every post, every product description, and every sales pitch needs content. The essence of writing good content is in doing good research. So your research skill should be on point. Content writing can be classified as one of the best skills to learn to make money. Skills that can go well with content writing or SEO and creative design. Having SEO training is amazing because it will help your article rank well on search engines like Google and Bing. Your earning opportunities will increase exponentially if you can write search engine optimized article. And five, copywriting. Many people confuse content and copywriting, but they are two totally separate skills. What we saw above was content writing. Let's see what copywriting is. A copywriter's job is to form compelling or ad copies to sell product, educate and engage consumers. Write product descriptions, email blasts, banner advertising, etc. Their job also includes brainstorming concepts and developing storyboard. They work with marketing and the other creative teams department to refine communication, strategize, and ensure continue brand messaging. If you intend to become a good copywriter, the besides writing grammatically correct text, you should also focus on mastering techniques for of brand recall. Learn to evoke responses from people. A good copyright is expected to have a better understanding of the human psychology behind every buying discussion. Right from compelling ad copies and come up with the catch jingles for brands. All right, guys, that's no for all right, guys, that's no for today. I will be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Allah Hafiz.